This is what I call the behind everyone else look. You open your phone, you see someone your age who already had the jobs, the bodies, the life you want. So you tell yourself, okay, I'll start later. I'll try to be better tomorrow. But tomorrow comes, you just find someone new to compare yourselves to, and somehow you feel end up feeling worse than before. If that's you, I need you to know something before we go any further. You are not behind, you are on a different clock. And by the end of this video, I'm gonna give you 10 small habits, the exact one that help me stop comparing and start rebuilding something that actually matter. Confident that doesn't depend on everyone else's timeline. A few years ago, I used to open social media just to say one thing. 2 hours later, I knew everything about everyone else's life and almost nothing about what I actually want for mine. I was lazy. I wasn't unmotivated. I was just stuck in a loop that made me feel small every single day. So I started testing small changes, not big life overhaul, small, boring, unglamorous habits. And these are 10 habits in the order I actually built them. Habit number 1, one screen rule. The first habit sounds too simple to work, and that's exactly why most people skip it. Every time I feel the urge to compare, it's always start the same way. Open the app just for a second. So I made a rule. One screen only. I check the app, I close it, I don't go past what I opened this for. Comparison doesn't start with a decision to feel bad about yourself. It starts with an open loop. One goal leading to another. So before you open any app, say it out loud or even quietly. One screen. It sounds silly. It works because it forces you to notice the moment instead of going on autopilot. Habit number 2, naming the compare spiral out loud. This one feels embarrassing to do at first, and I almost didn't include it, but it's the one that changed everything else on the list. When I catch myself comparing, just say it out loud, like I'm comparing right now. I'm feeling behind. I feel so small. That's it. No fixing it, no positive affirmation, just naming it how I actually feel. Psychology call this labeling, and it's one of the most well-documented tools in emotional regulation. The moment you name a feeling, your brain shifts out of emotional spiral into observation. You go from being inside your feelings into watching the feeling. Next time you catch yourself comparing, say it out loud or in your notes app. You're not trying to stop it immediately, okay? You're just naming it and express how you really feel. You're just interrupting the autopilot. When I could name it, I start noticing what I was actually afraid of, and that leads me to habit number 3. Habit number 3, the 2-minute fears journal. Underneath almost comparison spiral, there's a fear you haven't said out loud yet, and this habit is how I found mine. Every time comparison hit hard, I'll wait for 2 minutes, no editing, no structure, no prompt, just answering one question: what am I actually afraid of right now? A lot of people think that comparison is about other people. It's not. It's about fear we are avoiding, fear of feeling behind, of wasting our time, of not being good enough. Weighing it down turns away. So set a timer for 2 minutes, write without stopping, okay? And don't try to solve it, just get it out of your head onto paper. And this habit showed me clearly the first time. I kind of like to write it down on my book over here. Oh, same color. Like how I actually feel, express my feeling, It's no structure though. Just my personal journal that I've been writing it. Naming fear isn't the same as building confidence, so that I need proof. Habit number 4, the evidence list. This is the habit that make my confidence feel real instead of forcing it. I start writing things down when I got the idea about everything, even on my content or what I learned, the small achievement that I've been doing, how many days I don't drink sugar water, how many days I have been exercise for this week, 3 times, 5 times. Sometimes I just take the photos or voice memo, anything that can be seen, be heard, or can be revealed that I was kind of person that can trust myself. Maybe something that outside of my comfort zone. Maybe I went to the seminar, meet new people, make new friends, or apply to the job. Even I don't get a job, because of the contract or anything. but I attend the interview. I improve my communication skills so I can know about myself. You have the confidence to do the thing, because you have the proof, you have the experience. It want you to do one thing, okay? Every night, wise one thing, okay? No matter how small it is, and that's the proof that you're capable. You can do hard things. You can trust yourself, right? For me, when I have proof, I have a lot of things, I've done a lot of things, and I have the comparison, right? I just gonna look back on my evidence. The comparison, it just go away, a little disappear. Habit number 5, protect your first 20 minutes. Looking back, after I woke up, I just go on social media and see someone else's life, how their vacation is gonna be. They got the promotion, they got new car, and I just see them first thing in the morning. Do you think how I'm gonna feel? Even I am a positive person, but mostly in my inner child, maybe I might kind of sad sometimes. Even I happy, to see someone else accomplish something. When I saw them have a lot of things, and it just make I just kept feeling compare. My comparison comes again. So protect your first 20 minutes after you wake up. Don't touch your phone, or you can touch this, but maybe shake. Just take your little one and do your morning routine. Just drink water, make your bed. Go water your flower, go see the sunrise a little bit, refresh your body after waking up. Give the best for your first 20 minutes. If you have a lot of editing on your phone, but if it's not, you can control yourself and just don't touch it. If you consume and you see someone else's highlight reel, that means that you already start the day behind after you done your morning routine, okay? And then you can get back to your phone. This habit kept my morning back, but protecting my morning wasn't enough if I still have comparing with someone that I had the conversation with. Habit number 6, the silent comparison check. This habit isn't about something you should do. It's something you stop doing mid-conversation. Whenever I had a conversation with someone smarter, prettier, more successful, I will silently ask myself, would I really want the exact life like that? But the answer is no. Most time that we compare ourselves, and we mostly feel like we are behind, right? Everything that's already been succeed in your life or someone on life, we just feel like, oh, we're not good enough. Oh, why I cannot make money, why I cannot responsible for my life. We compare and we talk back and talk down about ourselves. We compare our whole life, complicated, the hard day, every struggle that we've been through, every situation that we have to someone else's already that you see that already succeed. We don't see the full picture about their life as well. A lot of people that have the success, even your boss, even the creator or entrepreneur, waiter, waitress, any career, but everyone have their full picture. Everyone have the problem. We don't see the obstacle that we have been through. You just want a piece of what they have, not their whole life. Habit number 7, one scary things a week. Once a week, go do something new every single week. Even you have school, you have work to do, but you can still try something new that's slightly outside of your comfort zone. Small, consistent, weekly, but none of this will last if I don't protect my energy. Habit number 8, the non-negotiable rest hour. This is a habit that almost everyone and every woman skip it, but it's the one that make everything possible. I give myself permissions to do nothing every single day for 1 hour. Just rest, relax. You're forcing yourselves to still learning, right? It's not really discipline though, and because discipline is the thing that you constantly doing while keeping the balance. Listen to your body. If your body, your mind is full of a lot of thought and your body not ready to go for it, so try to block 1 hour daily for yourself. Your body will thankful for it. Try to protect this and treat it like an appointment, okay? Give time for yourself, because most of the time we all just give our time to someone else. Habit number 9, the one check-in. Talk with someone that you love or care about, or that you can trust, okay? Maybe it can be your friends, your spouse, your family member, your teacher, anyone in your life, maybe there's just everyone in our life that you can trust. Just shaking in, talk to someone, write it down, or just on a voice memo. Any obstacle, anything, any problem that you are facing it, because a huge part of feeling stuck is the thing that we have no one around us understand how we are actually feeling facing it. Anyone needs someone that can be a good listener. Just listen, have the encouragement, no judging, just have a positive thought and have thoughtful and kindness to each other. Everyone needs this in our life. No need to compare, no need to pretending anything. We just need someone that can be there, can really understand and trust ourselves that I'm facing this situation and I'm gonna be into this. I might have facing the hard time right now. We are a human and we need connection. The problem is not really big, but we isolation. The problem is more bigger than that. These habits make me feel less alone in my own goals, and that makes space to my final habit, the one that ties all this together. Habit number 10, the nightly review. Ask yourself before you will sleep tonight, what did you do today that make your own self really proud of? You are not behind. You're just building a life on timeline that no one else can see. Only God can know this. So don't feel bad if you're still not gonna succeed, if you still feel behind like me as well. Don't feel bad, just do your job and do your best and take action. Remember that you're not really behind anyone else, and this is the habit that I've been doing and building it, and it's a lot, right? 10 habits, but you don't need to do all of these 10 habits right away. You just can pick one habit and apply to your life each week. Learn something and just take action, and you can implement that into your life. Try to do it little by little, small habits to small habit, day by day. Thanks so much for watching, and you can watch another of my video right here, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.